Austin. He'll probably come. Hi, my name is Jackie Gauthier. I'm an animal rescuer. Mostly cats, but I do rescue other animals. I do have a full-time job. This is just my passion and something that I believe in. So Speak Up For Paws is an organization that we came together, Sandy Lawson and I, of Adopt Me Cat Rescue, to mostly speak about the problem of the cat overpopulation of the cats, right? The spay-neuter, the fact that it's not affordable, so we just thought we would advocate for the cats.
This is the damage you're causing, okay? So don't wonder why I'm bitter and annoyed, because I'm the one stuck picking up after you guys. This is what your burn cat, or your not spayed cat, or your not neutered cat, or your whatever cat excuse you want to find. This is it. This is the damage that you guys cause.
Okay, everybody, let me squeeze in here. Look at that. There's the baby that we brought back from death. See his little eye? It's a girl, actually. So I'm gonna wash her again after.
She was dead a couple days ago. There you go. Yeah, don't ask me how, but she made it, and yeah, she's with us now, and she's doing good, and we reunited everybody. We trapped them on the next day, and now we have a happy family. She's like, no. Oh, there she's coming out. Hi, Jackie, my name is Nadia. My friend Jennifer, something recommend I contact you. It's hard for me to say no, and it's hard for me to turn my back on that. So, you know, sometimes I'll just sneak a little text message and organize things from my phone, but it is very hard to juggle it and try to balance everything out. But rescue fatigue is a thing, right? We see a lot of death. Just trying to keep the kitten alive a few days ago really wore me out.
Now we're going to think about it, we're going to stress about it, but we didn't dump these cats. We did not dump these cats, and I can't stop thinking about it. I had a little cry actually in the car on my way back.
That's the reality. That is what I live. This is what I am going through, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Sugarcoating it will not help the future cats. It's not going to help the situation, because if you lie, you don't tell the people the reality, they'll be like, there is no cat problem.
I barely fit here. I found them.
When you tell other people what you're going through, or that you cried over a cat that you only knew for an hour, they don't understand, right? They're like, bah, it's just a cat. It's supposed to be outside. So I try to find myself at the same type of people that, you know, in rescue, that also know what the suffering is like.
Okay, Evelyn, ready? Okay.
There. But I continue to do it because I feel like whether I save one or two or three, those lives matter. I was part of bringing them back to this world, or rescuing them and giving them a better life. Charlotte, there you go.